Java runs on Windows, Mac, Linux, even your uncle's 2009 laptop that cries while opening Chrome. But how? Because Java is basically a magic translator. Let me show you. Welcome back to Black Kernel. Today we are learning what Java really is, using real life examples, jokes, and simple English. Let's start. Java is a language. Java is a programming language. Just like we use English to talk to humans, we use Java to talk to
Hello?
computers. Imagine telling your computer, bro, add these numbers. Bro, save this file. Bro, run this website. But computers only understands 0 and 1s. So Java works like a translator who knows both English and binary. Java supports OOP. Java also supports OOP, which simply means object-oriented programming. Don't worry. OOP just means we write code using objects. The same way real life has objects, a car, a dog, a bank account. Each object has data, like a car's color, and actions like start or stop. So instead of messy code everywhere, Java groups things neatly inside objects. That's the basic idea. That's all you need to know for now. We'll go deeper in the coming videos. Java is strict. Java is like the strict school teacher. Declare variables, follow the rules. Don't confuse me. It feels annoying, but because Java is strict, you get fewer bugs in your code. Write once, run anywhere. This is Java's biggest superpower. Your Java code doesn't run directly on Windows or Mac. It runs on something called JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Think of the JVM as a universal travel adapter. You use the same charger in India, Europe, and the USA by just changing the adapter. Java works the same way. You write the code once, and JVM makes it run anywhere where Java is used. Java is literally everywhere. Banking apps, Android apps, Netflix backend, stock market systems, enterprise software, and springboot microservices. Basically, anywhere money, performance, or security matters, Java is waiting there. Why companies love Java? Java is popular because it's stable, fast enough, secure, has a huge community, and comes with tons of libraries. It's one of the safest choices for backend system. To summarize, Java is a language. JVM makes it run anywhere. Java is strict but safe. Java supports OOP to keep things organized. And it powers some of the biggest systems in the world. That's all you need to know for now. We'll go deeper in the coming videos. Thanks for watching, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.